Alright guys, welcome back here to AutoCraze 2023. What a year it's been. You've seen a whole bunch of different cars. Raptors, Hiluxes, D-Maxes, the Tridents. You've seen massive builds, you've seen it all, we've done it all. We've added a whole bunch of things. We've introduced dual battery, catch cans, pre-filters, canopies, hard lids, all brand new products. The year is not over yet. We've got ourselves a brand new GR Hilux. I believe we're the first to do the GR Hilux. We've teamed up with a whole bunch of suppliers to get this thing to look better than what it already looks like. Now don't get me wrong, Toyota, you did a beautiful job, but it still doesn't have the AutoCraze touch. Starting off this major build, we're gonna be going with a Radflow lift. We're gonna be doing a new set of wheels and tires. You guessed it, we are putting the Nomad Victims on there. Fill out those massive flares that they got on there. Beautiful flares, beautiful vehicle. We've got the fat bar snorkel going on there. We also teamed up with HSP to do the load bars on the back so it could cater for and fit the bits and pieces we're gonna be putting on it. I won't say too much because I'll let the video do all the talking. So guys, check out how bad this brand new GR Hilux is going to look today.
Hi guys, just wanted to pop up quickly and take a small amount of your time. If you could subscribe, like, and comment on this video, it would tell us that we're making an impact and allow us to keep pushing bigger and better content for you to see. We want to build the best community in this scene, and this is the start to do it. We'd appreciate it greatly. Cheers.
Alright guys, as you've seen, the GR is finally complete. This is a massive thank you to our lucky customers, to our loyal customers that keep coming back, to the best of the best. We're here, we're excited, we're very grateful. We've got a next gen Ranger in the background. Massive shout out to James Martell. He's come in 3 years ago, now he's back with his brand new Ranger. That's his Ranger down there that we did for him 3 years ago, and he's back. Massive shout out to Scott Mack, bringing his son's car in. All our customers that do come back, and if they don't come back, they come back with their kids, with their friends, with their brothers, and with their siblings, and anyone else that they know that want to get the AutoCraze treatment. Now we're here today, as you can see, down at the headquarters. We've got more repeat customers and more loyal customers. We've got STS over there, as you can see, that 79 that we did for him. We built his X-Class, which is this photo down here, and now he's back with his 79 series. And we've also got another customer all the way from Queensland. That's gonna be the next video. This video hits very close to home. We've also got another customer of ours that's here today, picked up a brand new Ram, decided, you know what, it's time to get new wheels, new tires, a roller shutter, a load bar, and a whole bunch of other goodies. We also got a customer, a loyal fan, been following us, never got anything done to his car, brought his D-Max over all the way from Newcastle, dropped it off, left it with us for 2 weeks, front bar, lift, wheels, tires, and he decided he wants to go a bit more extra. We're also going to be putting the spotties on there. We're also going to be putting a stainless steel snorkel and a whole bunch of other goodies. As you can see, this is the first documented GR Hilux that we built. Massive shout out to all the suppliers that pulled through, helped us out with this major build. Big shout out to Nomad Wheels, AutoCraze exclusive. Shout out to Radflow, shout out to HSP, and a massive shout out to Iman pulling it through, helping us out, making sure that this GR is gonna go global. Stay tuned because we are going hard. We are the innovators, we're the trendsetters, we're the industry's leaders. By bringing you the latest and the baddest builds, we are going ham. If you guys think 2023 was crazy, you haven't seen nothing yet. We got bigger, badder, scarier, crazier builds. And I promise you, next year, we're gonna put our work to the test. Next year, we're gonna be documenting exactly what our builds are doing, off-road, in the snow, in the mud, in the sand, in the water, whatever you want us to take it, we'll take it. Guys, stay tuned, thank you so much. And check out the GR Hilux, unbelievable video. All you have to do is rewatch it again and again and again. We will always give you the content and the excitement that you guys need. So guys, thank you so much. Like, subscribe, share, and if you don't like, still unlike, it doesn't matter. Thank you so much. And guys, that's how you do a GR Hilux, bro.